Let's take a look at a real-world scenario featuring EnGenius Cloud. Your company hierarchy consists of a headquarters and several branch offices, each with their own independent units, such as finance, sales, and R&D teams. You can map your network design to mirror your organizational hierarchy. Group and manage network devices and privileges for each team and each branch office. The organization level represents the top-level entity of your hierarchy. Each organization is the holder of a single EnGenius Cloud license, and an additional organization if you require network management of separate groups or teams. Each organization contains one or more networks, each having their own grouping of access points, network switches, and other cloud devices. The network will employ a single settings configuration across all devices as customized on EnGenius. Hierarchy View gives you a big picture overview of all the networks in your organization, with a device tree similar to the way files are laid out in a file system. You can add multiple layers to isolate sets of privileges and device settings. This is how your organization hierarchy will appear on EnGenius Cloud. Once you've created a cloud organization and networks, it's time to connect your devices to the cloud. Register your device, assign to a network, and auto-push network settings from the cloud. First step is to register the device to EnGenius Cloud. Scan the QR code on your device or enter the serial number manually to see the device added to the organization inventory. Next, assign the devices you just registered to a network within your organization. You can divide the devices into groups and assign each group to a different network based on your real-world requirements. Once the device is turned on, EnGenius Cloud will push the appropriate network configuration to the device automatically. Each network will have the SSIDs according to the configuration you've designated. Now your cloud devices are ready. Check your list of Wi-Fi connections to verify that you're able to connect the SSID with a computer or smartphone. Let's see how multi-tenant privileges work in EnGenius Cloud with some examples. Brian is the network administrator of company headquarters. Mary is the network administrator of the USA branch and the finance department, and John, who is the network administrator for the Europe region. Our first user, Brian, has privileges and can manage any device or network in the organization as needed. Our second user, Mary, has branch-wide access privileges for the USA, but only finance department privileges for every other branch. The last user, John, has network access across all departments, but only for the Europe-based teams under his direct responsibility. EnGenius Cloud offers privilege customization options and many more features. Visualize your networks with AI-driven cloud.